Good day. In this video, I'll be going over using Power Automate to take a PDF and splitting it by bookmarks found within the document. To start, I have a PDF here in an input folder. It is a 6-page document, and every 2 pages is a bookmark marking the start of each sub-document, if you will. To put the flow together, I've got 2 steps here. This is merely to provide the file content and the trigger. However, these can be replaced by any steps that provide content, the file content and the file name. I'll be adding our Aquaforest split PDF by page. For the split type, I'm going to select by top level bookmark. I will provide the file content and the file name. The rest of these settings can be left as their default value. I will now make a create file step for SharePoint, providing the correct address and folder path. For the name, I will use split output, followed by the split by page file name, and finish it with .pdf. For the file content, I'll use the split output files. Now that that is made, we can save it and test it. Here is the empty output folder. We can see the flow has now complete. Going back to the folder, if I refresh, we can now see our 3 split files. Thank you for watching.